Hello everyone, a lovely warm welcome back to my channel. Finally we have made the 1000 mark, and I do believe this is also my 100th video, so we've got something to celebrate today. Isn't that good? Finally I can give away this beautiful daisy journal that has been sitting in the cupboard waiting for so long. I think my channel has been in the cupboard because it just took so long to get here. I think all the COVID stuff and the algorithms of the times just slowed my channel down, and it didn't go anywhere for a while, but suddenly things have picked up and it's off again. So I can now give away this beautiful journal. So if you would like to be a part of this giveaway, I have put the link below to the original flip through of the journal, and that is where I will draw from, because it's just going to be too hard to try and draw from two different videos, I think, unless there's a small enough people that I can put you all in a jar, which I doubt will happen, but we'll see. So what I will do is I will give you all a little bit of time, say a week maybe, to enter the drawer, and then I'll come back on and I will draw it. So I'll give you a really quick look through, because I have added a few things to it that are different. Just little things like this lovely piece of bling jewellery here that I found in a daisy shape, and just a few bits and pieces that I've added, and if you don't like them you're welcome to take them off. Same with anything really in the journal, it's up to the person who receives it as to what they would like to have in the journal. So this is a brooch, so it's just sitting on the ribbon, so it can be easily taken off. So I've also added, because it's been so long, I've also added a little bag of goodies. So I won't show you what's in there, I'll keep that as a nice surprise for the person who wins it, but there's quite a few little extras in there that you can use in your journal, or make another journal if you'd like to and use them in those. So I'll just do a really quick look through, because you can always go back and look at the link where I went through page by page and showed you all the lovely things that we have in here in detail. And I can't even remember now all the little things that I may have added, but you'll probably find along the way as you look through it just some little things popped in that were daisy themed that I decided could go well with the book, and so I've popped those in. I think there's stacked pockets in there of tabs and things you can use in your journal, little envelopes, little treasures. So you may find as you go through something that's been just popped in as a little extra bonus, because it's been such a long time. I really didn't think I would be waiting this long to give this beautiful journal away. That's a pocket full of goodies there too, extra bits and pieces. I think I added this little cute little bear with the daisies and the watering can there, and maybe some stickers. I'm not really sure now what's new. Some lovely ribbon there, some daisies, a lovely piece of fabric that was added there. I just thought that matched really well with the pink that was in the card. So there's just a little quick look through, and as I said, I'll add the link below. Oh, there was that nice daisy paper bookmark there, or it could actually be used, I think, as like a band like that, but I thought that was really pretty. And that, I think, came out of a Daphne's Diary magazine. And some lovely extra paper there, which is daisy themed paper, and a Mrs. Coggs couple of pieces there for you to add in where you would like, or you might want to make some envelopes or some tags yourself out of those. So I've popped that in the back as a few little extras. And yeah, just to let you know, we'll be drawing that one very soon. So yep, make sure you put a comment in the box below the original flip through that I did of this journal. So that's the thing you have to remember, go to the original one, and I'll make sure there's a link both at the end of this video and another one in the box, in the description box. So hopefully you'll be able to find it that way. Otherwise you can always go back to my channel and look under videos and it will be there too. So thanks guys for following me so long, and glad you're still here at 100 videos in. We're still tracking along, and I'll see you soon with the draw for this. I also have a couple more lovely books to show you. I've got one from Tailor Made Journals, one to show you, which is her lovely jade lace collection. I'm sure you love that one. And I've got Paper Cameo. I've got a lovely cat book from Paper Cameo, so I'll be showing you that one next up. So see you back here soon. Bye for now.